Markk, and I am a freshman at Hawthorne High School. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Markk Care Kit, which in other words is just a shoe cleaning sneaker brand. In my opinion, it's just one of the best brands to use if you ever need to clean your sneakers at any point in any time. And so without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so the Markk shoe cleaning brand is relatively inexpensive. I personally have the Care Kit with me today, and that was $35. But you can get other versions of this on Amazon, or they really sell it on any website that you'll look on Google. If you were to get it from Amazon, it would be cheaper depending on which one you get. But this one is $35. And I did in fact get it from his own store online. There are a bunch of bundles that you can get. Not only can you just get the Care Kit, but you can also get shirts, socks, things of that nature. You can order basically anything that you need individually, or he does have other bundles which have different things in it that you can use to clean your shoe. And not only does he have it just to clean your shoe, but you can clean other things like your hats as well. They started in 2007. Markk really just had a great love for the sneaker culture, and so they wanted to come out with something that could show that teens or adults can be responsible for the sneakers that they wear. Care Kit took about, I want to say, 2 days to come once it was shipped. It was super easy just to buy. You just go online, you press which one you need, you type in a little bit of information, and that's literally it. So the first product that I want to show you guys is this premium shoe cleaner, the ready-to-use foam item. This is kind of just, this is already ready to use. The solution's already there. It's already made. You can just use a pump. Honestly, this right here, the bottle and everything, it already has directions, it has the ingredients that it was made with, it has the precautions, and anything like that. This right here is the premium stain and water repellent. It's also called Rebel right here if you were to look at the label. It does in fact have the directions to use all of these. Even on the package it has the directions to use, so that's great as well. This is something that you kind of just spray on after you use the foam. It really just gets out those extra stains, and it makes it like water, or like kind of like stain proof actually, which is really what I love about this product the most. Now these are the premium dual textured cleaning wipes. Alright, if you were to go online, they call the cleaning wipes right here. This is really where you can stay fresh on the go. This is actually, besides from using the foam, this is my other thing that I love to use, because sometimes when it's raining outside and I have to go to school, sometimes my shoes get a little dirty, so I can just bring these to school, go to the bathroom really quickly, wipe off my sneakers, and that's it. They do have warnings on it. They do also have directions, which is also something that I really, really love. And along with using the foam right here, the foam ready to use, it has a brush so you can scrub off all that unnecessary, any stains. It takes off any stains that you might have on your sneakers that you don't want. And so these two really, really go hand in hand. So if you only have this, you're going to really want to get a brush. And if you only have a brush, you're going to really want to get the ready-to-use foam, because these two right here, they do in fact go hand in hand. But however, it doesn't exactly tell you on the box what you can't use the brush on. And so that would be the only little thing that I would probably tweak if I were the Markk company. I would say that most shoes are really just leather, so this works fantastic on leather, anything like that. But if your shoe has any type of or if your shoe is not made with leather or has like a softer material, one, I would go lighter with the brush, or two, I just wouldn't use the brush at all, because that can actually ruin the material and it could ruin your shoe. and so I wouldn't want that happening, especially if you have an expensive pair of sneaker. So that's the only imperfection that I have, but I still give the sneaker brand a 10 out of 10 because it does its job.